comparative anatomy of respiratory system. You know, I think level 1 semester, first year level 1 semester, you have seen the lung of cattle and cattle. Okay, just in comparative anatomy, we compare with some other species. Okay, so this is the lung of goat. You know, goat and cattle, that size is cattle size is large and goat size is small, but same. Cattle and goat are not same. So this is the lung of goat. Usually, you know, lung has, we have two lungs. Okay, what are the lungs? Two lungs, left lung and right lung. That's why left lung, and usually left lung. And it's always like cattle, horse, sheep, goat, all the animal, dog, cat. It's generally the right lung is larger than the left lung. And the lobe of the number of lobes usually in right lung, lobes, number of lobes are more than the left lung. Isn't it? Since it is larger, that's why its number of lobe also more. This is the basic difference. Okay. Generally, right lung is larger than the left lung. So see, this is the lung. See, which one is left lung? This is the left lung. This is the right lung. Because the right lung is always bigger, larger. And also number of lobe also here is usually in left lung there is 3 lobes. Okay, apical lobe. This is the diaphragmatic lobe. Okay, and this is the middle lobe or cardiac lobe. Okay.
স্যার গোটে যখন এটা পজিশনালি থাকে তখন কি ওটা রাইটেই থাকে?
হ্যাঁ, রাইটেই থাকে, এটা তো রাইট সাইডেই থাকে, এটা তো রাইট লাং নাম। রাইট সাইড না থাকলে তো রাইট লাং নাম হলো। So apical lobe, cardiac or middle lobe, diaphragmatic lobe. Okay, and see, so you know when we take the lung sound auscultation, or when we want to observe any abnormal condition of the lung, we use stethoscope. But usually we set the stethoscope in the left side. For the taking the heart sound, heartbeat, or any abnormalities of heart, we usually use stethoscope in the left side, because in the left side, so the heart is more exposed than the right side. You see, it is not covered, deep part is not covered. But if you see the right side, it is totally covered by the lung. That's why sound will be less clear than the left side. In the left side, the heart sound we can sound clearly. Clear? Because here is your heart is open, it's less covered by the lung. And in the right side, it is
covered by lung.
More covered by the lung. That is the difference. In the left side, heart is more exposed. So this is the left lung, and right lung, it has another lobe. It is apical lobe, and this is the diaphragmatic lobe, middle lobe, and there is accessory lobe in there. This is the accessory lobe. So apical lobe, diaphragmatic lobe, middle or cardiac lobe, and then in the ventral side, this is the accessory lobe. This is the accessory lobe. Okay? Accessory lobe. And usually, you know, lung is covered by pleura, but pleura has been removed. So this is the trachea. This is the trachea. So this is this is the lung of goat. Right lung, left lung. This is the right lung, left lung. You know, right lung is larger than the left lung. Number of lobes also more in case of right lung, because it has 4 lobes. apical, medial or cardiac, diaphragmatic, and there is the accessory lobe.
Accessory.
But in the left side there is 3 lobe: apical lobe, medial or cardiac lobe, diaphragmatic lobe. Okay?
স্যার এটা কি মিডল অর কার্ডিয়াক বলবো না
Medial or cardiac. Medial or cardiac. And so in the left side, heart is more exposed. It is usually you can take the hearts on the left side. On the right side, heart is covered by the lung. That's why we use stethoscope in the left side. So this is the lung of goat, and this is the lung of cattle. Is similar to the lung of goat, just the size
is different.
But if you compare the dog lung, then this is the lung of dog. So can you find any basic difference? Can you see any basic difference?
lobes are
Yes.
Lobes are separated.
Here, there is fissure. These are called fissure. Do you know fissure? এই যে দাগগুলা, এই যে এটাকে বলা হয় কি ফিশার, এই যে মাঝখানে যে ফাটা এটাকে বলা হয় কি ফিশার। ইন দ্য মিডল দি ফিশার, বাট দি lobes are not completely separate. This is the diaphragmatic, this is the middle cardiac, but there is no complete separation. There is fissure. Due to the fissure, we can separate the lung into lobes, but not completely separated. But here, see, this is a lobe completely separate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the main point. This lobe completely separate. This lobe completely separate. This lobe completely separated. So this is the basic difference, that the lung of dog, the first thing is that unlike to the other animal, small animal, the lungs of dog, in the lungs of dog, the lobes are completely separated. This is the unique characteristic of the lung of dog.
Why, sir?
And
Is there any function?
because I don't know, yes, your question is right, that for every there is nothing aimless, or there is nothing purposeless in the whole universe, whole creation.
Yes.
If you look any creation of the universe, it might be unnecessary to you. You might think that it's no need, or there is no need like that. But behind that, there is some, purpose, need that we can understand. For example, have you seen the liver of dog? তোমাদের কি লিভার দেখানো হচ্ছে, ডগের লিভার? লিভার ডগের লিভার তো দেখো না, এই ডাইজেস্টিভ সিস্টেম তোমাদেরকে দেখাইছে? লিভার অফ ডগ নাই, লিভার ডগের লিভার ছিল না, দেখা যায় গেছে। যাই হোক, ডগের লিভার usually dog and a goat, almost their size is same, just almost same. Is dog and a goat almost size is same. But if you take weight of liver of dog and goat, so dog liver is almost double, I think more than double than the weight of goat liver. Size and weight. Why? Because animal is almost same size. But why the dog liver is very big and the lobes are more and weight also higher than the goat? Why? Because that the reason is that usually dog, although you did not see, you have not been demonstrated the liver of dog, but at least you have to see in the image Google. You have to have some idea. But why the liver of dog is it's larger and it has more weight than the liver of goat? Why? Because dog usually it take the rotten food and all the the dirty food it's taking. So its liver, it needs more function than the liver of goat. Liver usually, what does liver do? Liver do detoxification and a lot of function liver do. Since it takes rotten food and dirty food, dog, that's why its liver need bigger, because it needs more function. Similarly, his question is, why the dog liver lung or dog lung Lobes are completely separated.
Separate.
Obviously there are reason, but at this moment I don't know. Maybe you go through book and literature, but scientists may find or not, but obviously there are some reason, because without reason nothing is aimless, nothing is purposeless in this whole universe. Okay? This is the thing.
Sir, we know that abundance is useless, but potential what is?
Man, scientists are telling that useless, but till now in the till now the core or deep 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 information or deep mechanism in the whole universe, till now scientists would not reveal even 0.001% of the whole universe. What percentage the creation, their appearance and their information, how much percentage the scientists reveal? If you think the whole universe, if you think the space research, Mahashunno, whole universe, scientists are trying to reveal. They are finding maybe some galaxy. This is the reason why the lung is completely separated. And similar to the goat, it has also left lung and right lung. Right lung has, like goat, right lung has more lobes, 4 lobes: apical lobe, middle lobe, yes, intermediate axis, apical. See, in the left lung,
স্যার নিচে একটা আছে ছোট, ওটা কি?
এটা অ্যাক্সেসরি হবে। এই কি খবর? এই বড়টা ডায়াফ্রাগমেটিক হবে, আর মিডিল লোব আর একটা হবে কি অ্যাক্সেসরি লোব, তাই না? এই যে এটা হবে কি অ্যাক্সেসরি লোব, এটা রাইট লাং। চারটা লোব হবে: এপিক্যাল, মিডিল, ডায়াফ্রাগমেটিক, ইন্টারমিডিয়েট বা অ্যাক্সেসরি। আর লেফট লাঙে হবে 3টা: এপিক্যাল, মিডিল আর ডায়াফ্রাগমেটিক। এপিক্যালে আবার একটা ভাগ আছে, একটু ভাগ মনে হচ্ছে এপিক্যালে। এটা কি? এমন হতে পারে, এটা এইভাবে ছিল তো, এটা সিঁড়ি গেছে, এটা ছিল। যাই হোক, লেফট এইটা তোমার একদিকে 4টে থাকবে, 1 2 3 4, আর একদিকে 3টা, কিন্তু এটা সাথে একসঙ্গে ছিল, সিঁড়ি গেছে, একদিকে থেকে 3টা। রাইট লাং, ইট হ্যাজ 4 lobes, left lung has 3 lobes. Okay, and usually the big lobes always diaphragmatic lobe. For example, goat, its big lobe is always diaphragmatic. Here is the big lobe. These 2 lobes are big lobe. The bigger lobe, biggest lobe. These are the 2 diaphragms. This is the right because there is 4 lobe, and this is the left because there is 3 lobe. 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3 4. Okay. The heart. This is the heart. Heart located. Do you know? Usually heart located in the mediastinum place, the place between 2 lungs. See, 2 lung and heart is here. That's the heart located between our heart. This is 2 lung, heart is here in the mediastinal place. But the left side, heart is more exposed. And what is this? Trachea. And what is this?
Epiglottis.
This is the this is the larynx. This is the larynx. Larynx, trachea. Nose, then pharynx, then larynx, then trachea. So this is the larynx. What is this? This is epiglottis. What is this? Which one epiglottis? Can you trust? Which one epiglottis?
Jugota, yes.
This is the epiglottis. And which one is glottis? This will be. কাজ করতে না, ওটা ধরো, এটা ধরো, ও ধরো, ধরো, এইভাবে ধরো না। হ্যাঁ, This is epiglottis. This is epiglottis. You know, this is epiglottis because it close your when we are taking food. You know, pharynx is common part. When we are taking food, food is going pharynx, and from pharynx two ways, larynx and esophagus. But when I am swallowing my food, then
Epiglottis cover the
your epiglottis is closing the
larynx.
trachea, and food is going through the esophagus. This is epiglottis, and most probably this is the vocal cord. এখানে ধরো দেখি এখানে। This is vocal cord, maybe like that. This one, you know, the sound produced from the vocal cord. এই জিনিসটা, this is called vocal cord. This, you know, this we can say this is the vocal cord. This is membrane like, you know, this vibrate to produce the sound. And so this is the epiglottis, this is the glottis. Okay, and there are some also. This is the thyroid cartilage, you know, thyroid cartilage or this cartilage, this thyroid cartilage. This is also cartilage of larynx. There are I think 3 paired, 2 paired and 3 unpaired. That means 7 cartilage in the larynx. So this is the summary. Like summary is that the lung lung of horse. Although we don't have lung of horse, we have, but already it has been spoiled. So lung of horse, it's you can see the figure in the book, Getty book or other places. That you need to see. In the lung of horse, the lung is, it has also left lung, right lung, and it has also right lung is larger than the left lung. Same thing, but in horse, the lobes are incompletely divided. Their fissure is less prominent. Okay, their fissure is less prominent in case of horse, and right lung has 3 lobes, left lung has only 2 lobes. Left lung has apical lobe and diaphragmatic lobe, but right lung has apical, diaphragmatic and intermediate or accessory. Not cardiac, they say intermediate or accessory. So horse lung is characteristic that, you know, cattle lung and horse lung, their size is almost same because animal size is almost same. But in case of cattle lung or goat lung, the fissure is very developed. Fissure means fissure. These are called fissure. That thing that notches that divide the lung.
Yes, sir.
But in case of cattle and in case of goat, the fissures are almost developed. But in case of horse, the fissures is very incomplete. The lobes are incompletely divided. And left lung has 2 lobes, apical, diaphragmatic. Right lung has 3 lobes, apical, intermediate and diaphragmatic. So this is overall the lung of, we have seen lung of goat, this is similar to the lung of cattle, this is the lung of dog. And although we don't have lung of horse, but at least we have got some idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And I have told about the lung of liver, just all the digestive system, like that. Have you seen the liver and cecum of dog? Have you seen that thing? No. Because I have collected 15 years back, I have killed the dog and I have collected some viscera that you know, that has total nerve, the structure of brain, hippocampus, like that. But because those who will do research in neuromedicine, some of you may go to the, you know, Europe, America. There are a lot of research, you know, advanced research in the neuromedicine. Because neuromedicine is the field nowadays, you know, it is a blooming field. You know, a lot of research has been taking place in the neuromedicine. Because a lot of people are suffering from neurodegenerative disease. That's why now research is very, lot of research opportunity in the neuromedicine field. But you are passing comparative anatomy, but you have not been demonstrated the deep structure of brain. You know, you have not been demonstrated the trigeminal nerve, locomotor nerve, or other nerve. So what is the sense? It doesn't make any sense. So that's why we have to prepare yourself. We have to make yourself fit for the advances of movements. But it is very regret that nothing is happening. Anyhow, দুঃখের কথা আসলে আমার যেটা পাঠ আমি শিখে দিলাম এই ঠিক আছে দেখো আর মানে আরেকটা পরে আরেকটা আসছে নাকি পরে আচ্ছা শোনো তোমাদের সংখ্যা আমি কম বুঝতে পারছি সব মিলে আসলে অল্প তোমরা বলে দিবা যে এই কালকে থাকবে কেউ